Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò ní gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ bá ti láǹfààní láti máa wo ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín rèé tẹ́ máa darapọ̀ mọ́ ìkànnì yìí, ìkànnì Lover's TV nìkànnì tí ẹ já sí yìí. Mo rọ̀ ọ́ bá mi subscribe sí ìwé ẹgbẹ́ rẹ ń ọ̀rẹ́ máa gbé kan níbẹ̀ tán lè bá máa pè ní notification bell. Bá mi tẹ̀ tó bá ti tẹ̀ tán yóò gbọ́ option mẹ́ta kan wá, èyí tí ń bẹ lókè ohun tí ń ṣe option A, Li àti Li tán lè bá máa pè ní option all. Ó ní kó bá mi tẹ̀ tó bá ti tẹ̀ tán yọ̀ǹda rẹ̀ láìkì fídíò tó ń wò lọ́wọ́.
Tó bá jẹ́ pé níta agbára ni ẹ lágbára o. Tó bá jẹ́ pé níta sẹ́ni ẹ ní nǹkan kan kò sábà nú àwọn agbára wẹ́wẹ́wẹ́ o. Ẹ̀sìn ìpè funfun ní fúnra rẹ̀. Ṣáàdú Osun tó ní o. Àìjẹ́ jẹ̀bi. Mo kàn fídíò kan go viral. Lótìtọ́ àwọn ẹ̀ka àjọ wa tí wọ́n wà ní Òṣogbo ni. Nítorí pé Ọlọ́run ní ń darí nínú ìpè yìí. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Osun Ifárínú Ifábọ̀dé àti bàbá Elebuibon àti ọba Àtaọjà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìròyìn tí wọ́n ẹ bá mi táàgì wọn náà. Àwọn ènìyàn yìí wọ́n gba ìtọ́ni wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ ní ọ̀nà tó yẹ ká lọ. Wọ́n ò wá láti wá bà ojúbọ yín jẹ́. Ṣé tí ó wà sọ́wọ́ wà bá ìkòkò ọbẹ̀ yín jẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ fúnra yín. Àwọn ìgbìmọ̀ ìjọba náà fún wọn ní àṣẹ láti wọlé. Èyí túmọ̀ sí wípé ẹ̀yin DSS, no matter who you are, we took permission according to report given to us. And we have evidence. They have said it. Báyìí ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ń lọ. Ni wọ́n bá èṣù tó ṣe pa adìẹ lé lórí ti mí ẹ̀. Ìrìnàjò ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run ní púpọ̀ ń lọ ọbẹ̀. Nígbà tí wọ́n síbi dá kan bẹ̀ pé ẹ sì gbowó ìjọba gbowó tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀kọ́ bẹ̀ pé ẹ má ṣe dé bí o ní èdè Yorùbá alùpùpù ẹ pé ká má ṣe déwó ó dẹ̀ lọ kí ní gbẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń bí tẹ̀ wọ́n yẹn lórí kí ni yìí tí ìrìnsọ Ọlọ́run lọ ọbẹ̀ ọ̀dẹ̀ bí wó ẹ kọ́lẹ́ mọ́ mo rò pé ẹ̀yin tí orí yín pé Ọlọ́run pẹ̀lú yín ẹ̀ ọ̀dà sáà sí ẹni tí Ọlọ́run dá tí ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ò bá bẹ̀ jẹ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún wọn that was the report they made. When you collected the money, báwọn security kíkì ẹ̀ pé olúwa ìrànlẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀gbowó asọ́mọ̀ mi tí àfihàn ọba Mọ̀dẹ́kẹ́ ọ̀tọ̀ ní ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run gan tó sọ̀rọ̀ kì í ṣe mi ṣùgbọ́n torí pé ìkankan náà ni wọ́n ní mo pe èèyàn kan lájẹ́ ó sì sọ ń bẹ̀ wípé tẹ́mi bá pe èèyàn lájẹ́ ńlá jẹ́ ni àjọ làkàlà jẹ́ àṣẹ wọn àmọ́ bẹ̀rù àjẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ tẹ́mi ń jẹ́ Ọ̀ṣun yẹ Ifárínú wà ní kò sí ìgbà tó ṣe ìyẹn ni pé kò sí fún yẹmí pé ọ̀pọ̀ ní ti kú níbẹ̀ tọ́dẹ̀ bò mẹ́bẹ́ dáàbò kò sí kú tọ́sọ̀. nígbà tẹ ẹ fẹjọ́ sùjọba tán àdí DSS ti pè gbogbo wọn ti pè ẹ ti di bọ́ọ̀sù fúnra yín ẹwọ́n lè wá lọ́ndà Ifáyẹmí Ẹlẹ́bùibọn kan pẹ̀lú ọ̀dà Àtaọjà Òṣogbo ẹ wá lọ sí ẹ̀ka àjọ ẹ̀ ń lọ pàjá bẹ̀ àwọn sẹ́yìn sẹ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó wọlé ẹgbẹ̀rún ajá tẹ́ pọ̀ ní nǹkan kan ṣe pẹ̀lú tàwọn ẹ̀ka dàda ní ẹ̀kọ́ gbogbo kínní ẹ̀ lára wọn àwọn kò kojú ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kó ìkíní fún àwọn pásọ̀ ẹ bá gbogbo nǹkan jẹ́ èmi wò pé sọ́yẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run yín lè lọ́jọ́ ìkọ̀yẹ́ àwọn polisi ìgbésí lọ polisi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yẹn kọ̀yẹ́ kọ́kadà wá pàṣẹ sínú chọ́ọ̀chì ẹ̀kadà wá ìgbà tí wọ́n kàn sí ẹ̀ ń bá mi sọ agbẹjọ́ ń bá mi sọ ẹ̀yin náà ẹ gbọ́ látẹnu pásọ̀. These are the clips fídíò rẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ pẹ̀lú ayín lọ́jọ̀gbọ́n tẹ́ ẹ máa travel gẹ́gẹ́ bí n ti ọmọọba kìíní sọ nínú fídíò tán sẹ́yìn sí mi. Oṣù àwọn ọjà o ti sọ pé sùn ọjà o tún wá rán èèyàn lọ́kàn lọ fàájà ṣé ìwọ lọ ń jà àfẹ́sù báyìí ìwọ lọ pé sùn ọjà nú àwọn fídíò tó sì pé mọ̀ wọ́ọ́rí èso ọjà wọn náà ló tún rán àwọn èèyàn pẹ̀lú àwọn pé kọ́ ló fàájà tẹ̀sẹ̀ bí adá lórílẹ̀ kọ́lá wáì ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ gbé orí ẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gbé àti àwọn ọ̀kẹ́ àmọ́yé tẹ́ ẹjọ́ wá èyí tẹ́ bí ajá ló ń tẹ̀lé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lórí mo rò pé àwọn DSS tẹ́ lọ sọ fún ọdún àti bíbẹ́ tí padà bẹ́ orí inú gbó yẹn dáadáa kan yà lọ wo.
Christian flow and is listening to me. That's why keyboard and body. But I like to say this in Yoruba. So assertive than listening nítorí ibi tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí.
Ó lọ sí ọ̀nà Ọ̀ṣun ṣàgbà.
Mo fẹ́ sọ torí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun.
Àwọn ẹ̀fọ́
Ilé tí wọ́n ń lọ káàkiri.
But kí tó bẹ̀rẹ̀, I would like to observe
Àfẹ́ mọ rírì
the creator of the world.
ẹlẹ́dàá wíwáyé.
The God that swallow every other God.
Ọlọ́run tó gbé gbogbo ọlọ́run tó wù.
Omnipresent, omniscience.
Ẹni tó wà ní owó tó sì lè ṣòro.
Able God of wise God.
Ọlọ́run tó ń ṣe ogun ọlọ́run.
I recognize God of wise God.
Ọmọ ọlọ́run kẹ̀kẹ́.
I am Prophet Ọlọ́run Ọláòbí Síkẹ́.
Orúkọ mi ni Wòlíì Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Ọláòbí.
Wòlíì àti ààrẹ fún ìjọ Ọlọ́run ìpè funfun lẹ́lẹ́ni.
President and a leading couple of of white calling for us. Under the religion
Ìpè funfun lẹ́lẹ́ni.
of white calling.
I'm speaking from.
Mo kí tó tẹ̀síwájú
Before I proceed,
nítorí pé àwọn ọlọ́sùn fúnra wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe gbọ́.
the Osun worshippers themselves, as I heard,
Tí wọ́n ti lọ rìpọ́ọ̀tù ní gbogbo bí.
they have reported everywhere.
Mo fi ara balẹ̀ láti gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ látọ̀dọ̀ àwọn pásọ̀ tí wọ́n wà involved.
I carefully take the report from the pastors that are involved in this
Kí tó
incident.
jáde in order to
Before I come out.
let the world know our
Kí
perspective.
n lè jẹ́ kí àwọn ayé mọ ibi tí àwa dúró sí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ náà.
I'm not afraid.
Ẹ̀rù bà mí o.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Because we are not at fault.
Torí pé a jẹ̀bi.
Help me thank the police commissioners,
Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó wà nídìí
the
ẹjọ́ yìí.
DSS lọ́sí
Àwọn
Òṣogbo.
DSS ní Òṣogbo ẹ táàgì wọn.
Tag the newspapers
Ẹ táàgì àwọn ilé ìwé ìròyìn
that have heard about it.
tí wọ́n ti
This
gbọ́
matter.
nípa rẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti gbọ́ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
Ẹ̀sìn ìpè funfun ní fúnra rẹ̀.
The religion of white calling himself,
Adádúró Sontoni o.
we stand aloof.
Àìjẹ́ jẹ̀bi.
We don't pay at fault.
Mo kàn fídíò kan wọn go viral.
I heard that a video cut across and went viral.
Lótìtọ́ àwọn ẹ̀ka àjọ wa tí wọ́n wà ní Òṣogbo ni.
Truly, it came from our assembly in Osogbo.
Nítorí pé Ọlọ́run ní ń darí nínú ìpè yìí.
It is God who lead in this calling.
Torí pé ìjọba àti òfin.
Because of the government and the law,
That's why I'm making this statement.
ìdí nìyí tí mo fi ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
Tó bá jẹ́ pé níta agbára ni.
If it is by power,
Lágbára o.
you don't have power.
Tó bá jẹ́ pé níta sẹ́ni.
If it is by authority,
Ní nǹkan kan kò sábà nú àwọn agbára wẹ́wẹ́wẹ́ o.
there is no power in all those small goals.
Ṣùgbọ́n nípa ti òfin.
But by the law,
Agbọ́lọ́rin torí
You must
pé
walk, because-
adarí kan kò gba ipò fúnra rẹ̀ bí kò sí pé látọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run pé.
no one take the position of leadership but
Nítorí
by
náà,
the leading of
nínú
the
ẹ̀sìn
God of our
yìí-
calling. In this religion,
A bọ̀wọ̀ fún àwọn aláṣẹ.
we obey and respect
Nítorí
the
pé
people in
Ọlọ́run
charge of
kò fún
authority
ní
because God of
gbogbo
our
ìkàlẹ̀.
calling is the one that established them.
Ilé tá a fọwọ́ wa kọ́ àlè dúró.
The home we build by ourselves, we can't pull it down by
Nítorí náà
ourselves.
àmọ́ ètò.
So we know the rudiment.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Ọ̀ṣunyọ.
Mr. Osunyemi,
Ifárínú.
Ifarinu,
Ifábọ̀dé.
Ifabode,
Àti bàbá ẹlẹ́bùrú ìbọn.
and Baba Elebuibon,
Àti ọba Àtaọjà.
and the king
Gẹ́gẹ́
Ataoja.
bí ìròyìn tí wọ́n.
As the news was aired,
Ẹ bá mi táàgì wọn náà.
tag them too.
Àwọn ènìyàn yìí.
These people,
Wọ́n gba ìtọ́ni. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ ní ọ̀nà tó
they
yẹ ká lọ.
took instruction and go in line with the ways
A
of.
fún wọn ní assignment láti ṣe.
They were given an assignment to perform there.
Ìgbà tí wọ́n lọ, wọ́n dé entrance ibẹ̀.
They got to an entrance there.
Ohun kan tí èmi ń sọ yìí ni
What I'm
àwọn
saying.
ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀rí wà.
We have evidence backing it up.
Because they have called me,
Torí pé wọ́n ti pè mí,
they have reported,
wọ́n ti fi ọ̀rọ̀ lọ mí.
and I've talked to the pastors.
Mo sì ti bá àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tí wọ́n wà ní ìgbọ́nú rẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀.
Mo sì fẹ́ kí àwọn tí wọ́n ní òye
And
kí wọ́n gbọ́.
those that are wise, I want them to listen.
Ènìyàn ìjà fún Ọlọ́run.
No one fight for God.
Ọlọ́run ga ju, Ọlọ́run tóbi ju
God
èèyàn ìjà fún
is
lọ.
beyond what human can be fighting for.
Kó la fàṣẹ sí. Tá a
Where is authority? Why are we going to be
wọ́n
fighting?
gbé ìgbésẹ̀ láti lọ sí ibẹ̀.
They took a giant step to go there.
Ọ̀tọ̀ níbi tí wọ́n wà tẹ́lẹ̀
They were somewhere before.
tí wọ́n ń ṣe iṣẹ́ yẹn.
They were doing their work of gospel.
Wọ́n bá àwọn kan bẹ̀. Mo
They
rò
met
pé
some
wọ́n ti
people
ṣe ètò àdúrà fún àwọn yẹn.
The way they prayed for those people,
Ibẹ̀ lẹ́ni àwọn yẹn ti confess. Wọ́n wá
They
gba
now
under the
confess.
leading of the Ọlọ́run pè fún ni ní.
nípa ìdarí Ọlọ́run kò fún ní by the Holy Spirit, they went there.
Ìgbà tí wọ́n débẹ̀.
When they got there,
Gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ kó pé síbi tí a bá ń pè ní tourism center. Ibi tí wọ́n ti máa ń wo àwọn nǹkan ìgbàlódé. Gbogbo security ló wà ń bẹ̀.
all security were present there.
Ètò ìjọba wà ń bẹ̀.
The government policies were there.
Nítorí náà àwọn èèyàn yìí wọn ò fipá wọlé.
This reason, these people did not force their way in.
Wọ́n bá àwọn security tìjọba
They
àwọn ẹ̀ṣọ́ aláàbò.
met the security councils there.
Wọ́n bá àwọn tí wọ́n ń já owó ní reception.
They met the tax collectors at the
Ìgbà tí wọ́n
reception.
lọ bẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ pé wọ́n ń gba owó gan.
When they got there, they don't even know that
Wọ́n lọ
they
bẹ̀
take money
wọ́n
to
dẹ̀ lọ bá
enter.
wọn pé
And they met them and they said,
a fẹ́ lọ bí
"We want to go this place."
wọ́n dẹ̀ kọ́ lẹ̀ pé kí
They
lẹ fẹ́ bá
asked
ṣe.
him, "What do you want to come and do?"
wọ́n ní Ọlọ́run rán àwọn sí ojú odò ní
God
àfẹ́
sent them to the river.
wọ́n sọ pé àfẹ́ gbàdúrà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o.
They said they want to pray there.
wọ́n ní wọ́n sanwó
They
nítorí
said
pé
they will
ìjọba.
pray because it is government property.
ìyẹn ní ọ̀nà pé Ọlọ́run lọ́rọ̀ àwọn bẹ̀ àwọn
Say
ọmọkùnrin
it's God.
ìjọba ọmọ.
Say God, the government does not know about
ohun
God.
tí ìjọba mọ̀ ni pé
What the
owó ló
government
pọ̀
knows
sí.
is that you must pray to
tí
the
ẹ bá ń
purse.
kúrò ní ìjọba fúnra rẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ó mọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
If you lied, government itself knows that they recognize God. No policeman can say he doesn't know God.
ìwọ tó
Unless you
fẹ́
are
dájọ́
hypocrite.
gan ọmọ Ọlọ́run.
Even the one that want to judge, you know God.
orí ó lè gbẹ̀mí rẹ̀ kẹ́lò
Because he can take your life and another person go there to judge.
wọ́n náà pé ń dà náà.
And they say,
àwọn ọmọ
okay,
ṣùgbọ́n
they
wọ́n
don't
ní
know.
gbogbo àwọn làwọn sanwó.
They say all of them
wọ́n lè
will
bá wọn
pray.
sọ pé owó táwọn mú lọ kò
And
tó.
they negotiated that the money they have with them
ìdá kí àwọn iye àwọn èèyàn
is
báyìí
not
sanwó.
enough. I said, let these people pay.
wọ́n dẹ̀ fún wọn ní àkáǹtì tán sanwó fí.
They gave them an account to be paid to.
wọ́n sanwó pẹ̀lú receipt torí pé
Paid with the receipt
wọ́n sanwó pẹ̀lú POS.
because they paid by POS.
eléyìí tí a ní evidence ẹ̀
We
lọ́wọ́.
have the evidence at hand.
ẹ̀yin ọlọ́sùn tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ wá ń
The
pè
Osun
é
worshippers,
irọ́ ni.
if you're saying those things are lie.
wọn ò wá láti wá bà ojúbọ yín
They
jẹ́.
did not come to attack your shrine. No
wọn
one.
bà ìkòkò ọbẹ̀ yín jẹ́.
They did not come to attack your
ẹ̀yin
pot of
lẹ́lẹ́ni
soup.
ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ fúnra yín.
You are the one that have those you tie down.
wọn ò bà ìkòkò ọbẹ̀ yín
They
jẹ́.
did not destroy your pot of soup.
wọ́n dẹ̀ gbéra.
They
àwọn
went.
ìgbìmọ̀ ìjọba náà fún wọn ní àṣẹ láti
It
wọlé.
is the government personnel that give them tickets to enter. That means
ẹ̀yin DSS
you the DSS,
matter who you are
even though kẹjẹ,
we took permission
a gba ìyọ̀ǹda
according to report given to us.
gẹ́gẹ́ bí
and we have evidence. they have
ohun
said
tí wọ́n sọ
it
fún wa a sì ní àrídájú àti
they
ẹ̀rí
have
máa jẹ́ mi
said
nìṣó.
it against me.
Wọ́n ti fi ẹ̀rí máa jẹ́ mi nìṣó yìí ránṣẹ́ sí mi.
ilé-iṣẹ́ ìròyìn
For the newspaper and the online cassettes
a
to
sì
know.
ní kò ṣeé delete.
We have it, it can be deleted.
hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
wọ́n dẹ̀ gbà wọ́n wọlé.
They took
àwọn náà
it and they
wọ́n dẹ̀
entered.
bá àwọn ènìyàn ní
And
ojú
they
ọ̀nà.
met people on
ohun
the
tí
way.
wọ́n sọ fún wọn ni wípé
What they told them was
àwọn ń lọ sí ojú odò
they
Ọ̀ṣun.
are going to the Osun river.
mo rò pé àwa náà èmi báyìí mo ti lọ
I
sí
myself.
orílẹ̀-èdè Jerusalem.
I've been to Jerusalem
mo
before.
ti dé ọ̀pọ̀ country.
Been to many countries.
nígbà mo lọ sí ìlú ọba ní London bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
When I went to London,
àwọn ibìkan tá a yà.
some places
wọ́n
we
jẹ́ pé
branch
bí kíní ìgbàlódé wọn ni.
where it is a tourist center.
nígbà tó ti clear wa gbogbo bẹ̀ ládé.
After we
gbogbo
have
ibi tí àwọn
been
Jerusalem fi
cleared,
ń
we went
jẹun.
there. All those
Ṣé fi
places
jẹun?
that
Èmi
are
lọ
tourist
mo
centers
gbàgbọ́
in
bẹ́ẹ̀.
Jerusalem, I prayed there.
mo débi ebi òkun òkú.
I went to Dead Sea.
mo ní mo gbé agbára wọn mi.
I said I swallowed their power.
ibi tó fi ń jẹun ní tó fi Mósè jẹun.
The where they were playing with the rod of Moses.
wọn ìwàásù Kristi
They
bẹ́ẹ̀
don't
mo
preach
wàásù
Christ
Kristi
there. I preach Christ there. Mo ní fọ́nà rẹ̀.
hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
ìjọba Mósè ètò kò sí ọjọ́ kan kì í sọ ọjọ́ méjì ìjọba àwọn òmùmí.
It is not one day or 2 days. Their government did not arrest me because they took money.
the government of the land took money.
Ìjọba ilé ìgbésẹ̀ owó bó ti kó kéré tó.
ó kàn ìjọba ní property ìjọba
It
ní.
is a government property.
ìyẹn kọjá ọkọ.
That's the first thing.
wọ́n dẹ̀ wọlé.
They
wọ́n
entered
dẹ̀ kí àwọn ènìyàn.
and they greeted people there.
ìgbà tó wọlé.
When they entered
wọ́n bá oríṣiríṣi àná báyìí ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ń lọ.
and they were going,
ni wọ́n bá èṣù tó ṣe pa adìẹ lé lórí tí
they
mí ẹ̀jẹ̀.
met a devil who have just sucked the blood of a chicken.
ìránṣẹ́ ọlọ́ni ẹ̀mí ọlọ́ni púpọ̀ ń lọ ọbẹ̀. nígbà tí
And the man of God said, the Spirit of God led him there.
kan bẹ̀ pé
He did not write anything there that somebody must not get here.
ẹ sì gbowó.
There's no barricade there and you collected
ìjọba
money.
gbowó.
The government took money.
wọ́n bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀kọ́ bẹ̀ pé ẹ má ṣe débí o.
If you have put a sign there that no one should get here in Yoruba, we will say there's a law that back it up.
pé ká má ṣe déwó.
You didn't put any
ó dẹ̀ lọ
restriction
kí
there.
ní gbẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń bí tẹ̀
What is sucking blood here that you are killing
ìdílé yìí tí
the
ìránṣẹ́
chicken?
ọlọ́run lọ ọbẹ̀.
That's why the man of God went
ọ̀dẹ̀ bí
there.
wó.
And he did not
Hey,
push it
Kolema.
up. He did not round it with a house.
mo rò pé ẹ̀yin tí orí yín pé
I know that the wise
ọlọ́run
people,
pinnu yín ẹ̀ ọ̀dà sáà.
that God lives in you. You understand what
sí
I'm
ẹjọ́
saying?
ọlọ́run dá tí ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀.
No one that God created without a brain.
wọn ò bá bẹ̀ jẹ́.
They did not destroy the place.
gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀yin eré wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ
They were doing the work of gospel. And
àwọn
those they met on
olùwárẹ̀
ground.
lọ síbẹ̀. that was the report they made. definitely when you collected the
Àwọn
money.
àsọlẹ̀ tán sọ ni ìgbà tí àwọn èèyàn ìgbowó
ẹ̀ bá àwọn security.
and they met the security.
kíkì ẹ̀ pé
They
olúwa
did not
ìrànlẹ̀.
kick against it that God cannot send someone there.
ẹ̀dẹ̀gbowó
And he took the money
wọ́n dẹ̀ wọlé.
and they entered.
ọ̀dẹ̀ lọ síbi ọ̀dẹ̀ gbàdúrà sí. ìwọ tí ń gbẹ̀jẹ̀ ń bí o.
Yeah,
ó lè gbẹ̀jẹ̀ tèmi o.
You that is taking blood here, you
iye bá
cannot
ti
take
ń
my
pa
blood.
iye sórí nǹkan fídíò rẹ̀ wá mi.
Once you are killing a
definitely
chicken
ó lè
on
gbẹ́
something,
ẹ̀jẹ̀ ènìyàn.
it means he can take the blood of man too.
ohun tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ni.
It has happened.
Àsomọ́ mi.
I was
Ṣé
summoned.
àfihàn ọba Mọ̀dẹ́kẹ́?
The palace of Mordecai.
Ọ̀tọ̀ ní ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run gan tó sọ̀rọ̀.
It is another man of God that speak.
Kì í ṣe mí.
I am not the one.
Ṣùgbọ́n torí pé ìkankan náà ni
But
wọ́n.
because we are one,
Wọ́n ní mo pe èèyàn kan
they
lájẹ.
said I call somebody a
Mo sì
witch.
sọ ń bẹ̀.
And I said there,
Wípé tẹ́ ń bá pe èèyàn lájẹ ńlá
I
jẹ ní
call
àjọ làkà
somebody
lájẹ
a
lásán
witch.
wà má bẹ̀rù
I
àjẹ.
tell them she's a witch.
Ẹyẹ tẹ́mi ń jẹ.
Why will I be afraid of witches? I eat the bread of witches.
Olúwa sì sí mi lójú.
And God opened my eyes.
Ẹni kémi kankan mo ní èmi o mo gbé gbogbo agbára tí ń bẹ ń bí ìjẹ.
I said I swallow all the power here.
Ẹ̀yin òkú láàrin alààyè panu
I
yín
tell
mo ní
them that
èmi rí tẹ́yìn ò rí.
the dead among the living
Èmi rí
shall
àwọn
not be
àgbàgbà kan
cursed.
tó jókòó.
I see their elders that stand.
Ẹ̀yin lè má bìlífù
might not
ṣùgbọ́n
believe.
ẹni tó wà lórí ìjọba gan kò lè pọ̀ hàn lálẹ́.
But the one that is on the throne must not say that he doesn't dream that.
Kí wọ́n máa dọ̀bálẹ̀ mo ní mo gbé gbogbo ẹ̀fẹ́.
I will not be prostrating. I said I swallowed them. They said I should leave by themselves.
Ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run rí nǹkan tí mú ẹ̀jẹ̀
A man
ibi
of
tí ń
God
lọ.
saw discover something that is sucking blood. Where
Ọba
is going
Adédè
to?
rí kíkanú àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ tó ṣubú.
If you now see that one of the disciples behind him
Ó sì lọ
fell,
bẹ̀ kò bí wọ́.
and he went there, he didn't.
Fídíò wà
bring it up.
ńbẹ̀.
There is a video.
Kò fáyà.
He did not say anything,
Ó dẹ̀ gbàdúrà sí.
and he prayed
Ó
unto
gbé
him.
ọmọ mọ́mọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀
I
ẹ̀jẹ̀
swallowed. I don't suck my own blood.
àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọmọ rẹ̀ tó ń padì ẹ̀ fún ọ ní ọlọ́mọ
It
àwọn.
is the blood of those that are killing chicken for you that you should be
Ó
drinking.
dẹ̀ kú òun bẹ̀.
And he left there.
Pé kó ń lọ síbi tí wọ́n gbé yèyí Ọ̀ṣun sí.
That he should go to
That
where
was-
the Osun River is.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ pàdé àwọn kan lọ́nà.
And he met some people on the
Àwọn
way.
yìí náà sọ fún un pé
They are the ones that told him,
dandan agbọ́lọ̀ tó sanwó sínú gbá.
he must, you must pay again
Wọ́n sì sọ
to
fún
the
un pé
crowd. And he told them,
a ti sanwó fún ìjọba.
we are paid to the government,
Ìyí ìdẹ́gbẹ́ka kò ní rí sí ti.
that this one does not have
Wọ́n
receipt.
ní tìjọba nìyẹn.
He said that's the
If
government.
truly the government have claimed the place.
So báyìí pé lóòótọ́ níjọba ti
Kí ló dé
bẹ̀rẹ̀.
táwọn kóòtù wá dúró níbì kan?
Why do some
Lọ́nà
people
gbowó.
stay somewhere and be taking money?
Ṣé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa là ń tráfù
Many of us do travel.
òde tí odò Bẹ́tísáídà?
I got to the Bethsaida River.
Wọ́n sanwó kankan o.
Nobody-
Owó tí mo ti
I did not pay.
sá tó gbé wa lọ.
The one I paid at the border,
Mo débi tí Kírísì tán sí Kírísì sí.
I went to where Christ was buried, the tomb of Christ.
Ọ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀mọ iye owó ni wọ́n ná bẹ́ẹ̀.
Many and huge amount of
Ṣé
money
ẹ
was
fẹ́ fi
spent
wé
there.
ojúbọ Ọ̀ṣun ni?
Will you compare it to the Osun shrine in
Ẹ fẹ́ fi wé
inside the
fúláwà
bush?
sí. Tí ó gbé fúláwà sí.
Will you want to compare it to where they
Mo lọ
beautify?
bẹ̀. Mo
Went
dẹ̀ sọ pé
there.
mo gbé agbára ni mo tún tẹ́
I said
gbogbo
I
olówó yẹn.
swallowed the power there.
Mo ní pé mo
I
believe
stepped the
pé
river
mo sanwó rẹ̀.
because I believe I paid to the government.
Mo ti kọ́ akíní sí àwọn àjọ Mẹ́kà.
I've written
Pé mo ti
to
sọ pé
the
mo fẹ́ wá
Mecca
Mẹ́kà.
that I want to come to Mecca.
Nígbà tí òfin wọn ọ̀dẹ̀ gbà.
When their Lord did not
Wọ́n fi
allow
ìlú bá
it,
gbà wọ́n lọ bẹ̀.
if their Lord
Ẹ bá ti
permitted, I
gbowó
will go
ẹ ti pè mí.
there. Once you have taken money,
Ibi
you
tẹ́
have
àfẹ́ kí n
invited
tẹ́
me.
ẹ sọ pé má dé bí o
Where
má dé bí o
you will
má dé bí
not
o.
allow me to get to, you will instruct me that don't get
Àṣàwọ̀
here, don't
ẹ̀fẹ́
go
nìkan
there.
ẹ̀yin náà rẹ̀ ní ká máa lọ. Kì í ṣe pé ẹ fi ènìyàn sọ wọ́n ti ń
You
kọ̀
are the
wọ́n.
one that lead them there. No tour guide.
Wọ́n sọ pé àwọn ò lè sanwó.
And they said they cannot pay.
Wọ́n náà máa sanwó ni.
They said they must pay.
Wọ́n náà ò lè sanwó.
They said they
Àwọn
cannot
anìkílẹ̀
pay.
wá fẹ́ ṣe ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ní
The man
àwọn
said,
fẹ́
what do you
gbàgbọ́
want?
àwọn
They
fẹ́
said they
débẹ̀
want to
àwọn
pay.
fẹ́ olúwa làwọn bẹ̀.
The Lord sent them there.
Nítorí pé ẹ̀ sanwó ẹ̀
Because
lè
you
lọ.
not pay, that we cannot go there.
Ohun tó fàdí ìjà ń bẹ̀ nípa àsanwó.
What happened that broke
Nígbà tí
fight
àwọn
is because they did not
pé
pay. And why they
wọ́n
are
ti sanwó
claiming,
fún ìjọba.
they are paid to the government.
Lè sanwó fún ènìyàn tí ò ní rìsíìtì.
And they cannot pay for a man that doesn't have a receipt.
Tó bá jẹ́ pé òṣìṣẹ́ ìjọba ní
If
àgbọ̀.
you are a government worker, you
Bí
believe
ìjọba
that.
ọba dé kílèmù rẹ̀
And
kíjọba
the
ọba
government does not
kílèmù
claim.
rẹ̀. Àyìnfà ti
The
pé
government
àwọn ò mú owó kan dání gan
And they said they don't have any other money
tí àwọn lè san.
that they can pay.
Náà làwọn fẹ́ pọ̀ gá wọn.
And they said they want to call their boss.
Iná bá pe arákùnrin Ọ̀ṣun yẹ Ìfárínú Ìfábòdè.
And they now called that man.
Náà bá porúkú náà bá pè.
Call him.
Ibẹ̀ ló dé.
He came.
Ó ní kátó gbé wọn àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èrò wọ́n ti wá èrò tó
Many
pọ̀.
people are already gathered before they call him.
Almost bí bọ́ọ̀sì méjì náà gbé.
They brought about 2 buses
Wọ́n bá wọn.
and they met them.
Kí ló dé wọ́n jọ ń sọ̀rọ̀.
And they asked him what happened.
Ọ̀ṣun yẹ Ìfárínú. Wọ́n wá ní
Mr. Osunyemi said they should
Wọ́n wá
come
sọ
down.
fún pé
Told him.
ọgbọ́n lẹ́sùn náà o.
He said he lay
Ọ̀rọ̀
hands
tó
on
jáde
his
lẹ́nu rẹ̀ ni pé
What
kò
came
sí
out of
kú.
his mouth and he did not die.
Wọ́n ní kò kú kò sí
He
nǹkan
said
tó
he did
ṣe
not
o.
die. He said nothing happened to him.
Ìyẹn ni pé kò sí kú yẹn mi pé ọ̀pọ̀
That
ní ti
means
kú. Ibẹ̀
many died there.
tọ́dẹ̀ bò mẹ́bẹ́.
And they
Dáàbò
covered
kò sí
it.
kú tọ́sọ̀.
That's the meaning of the word.
Lọ́wọ́ sọ fún
He
mi ẹ
didn't
má
die.
nà ó.
He said don't beat him, oh.
Ẹ fi wọ́n lẹ̀.
Leave him.
Náà wájọ dáálọ́gì.
And the dialogue.
Ibẹ̀ náà pé
That's what he
owó
said.
tó tá a san
The money they pay for the Osun
ẹ
River.
bá mọ́wọ́ mi.
Bring my money.
Ìgbà ẹ̀jẹ̀ kú ẹ̀ kú jẹ́ ń dúdú Ọ̀ṣun.
You did not allow me to get to Osun River.
Ẹ bá ń kówó mi.
Bring my money.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ yanjú ẹ̀ àmì
And they
kébìlì.
settle it amicably.
Láì jà láì
Without
fa
a fight,
kankan.
without dragging any issue.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ.
and they left.
àwọn ọlọ́sùn yìí gbogbo wọn náà fídíò.
Those Osun worshippers and the clip.
ìgbà tó ń fi ṣe kínní rẹ̀ wọ́n fídíò.
While they were doing this.
ìgbà táwọn fídíò rẹ̀ wọ́n fídíò.
When they also capture it, they also capture it.
lórí péèjì wa gan.
On our page itself.
tá a fi sáré post gan.
The one we posted.
Ọ̀ṣun Òṣogbo update.
Òṣogbo update.
ìlà tìrìtì
náà. That's where we see it being dragged. That's why we drag it.
ẹnìkan ló gbé.
It is somebody that carried it.
ta ló wá sọ fún yín pé kì í ṣe
ara yín gan. That is not from one of you.
tó gbé
that put it online.
Pastor tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀.
The pastor we are talking about.
kò ní péjì tó wá fà
He doesn't have a page that's vibrant.
kì í ṣe tí máa ń dá.
He's not a social media person.
bó bá jẹ́ pé mi ni mo ní péjì.
If I am the one, I have a page.
I have page, control page ni finance page gan.
mo ní ìtàkùn tó ń lọ tààrà.
orílẹ̀-èdè gan recognize.
Even the government of the land recognize the page.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìjọ náà ẹ̀sìn wa náà dẹ̀ ni page.
Even our church has a page.
hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
ó dẹ̀ yanjú òkan yẹn.
And they settle it amicably.
ẹ múra fúnra yín.
By yourself.
ẹ lọ rìpọ́ọ̀tù.
You went out and report.
tí fídíò
after you settle amicably. They did not fight you and they did not do anything.
ẹ̀yin lè sọ pé tourist center.
ẹ pè ní ibùdó ìgbafẹ́.
àbí ìṣètò ẹ pè ní yẹn.
Is that not what you call it?
ibùdó ògbàgbẹ́ ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè ní láti náwó sí.
And the government of the land has a case on it and they paid.
mo rántí pé
I remember that in Jerusalem.
gbogbo ibi tí kan tán gbé kinní wa tó bá lè fọwọ́ kàn báyìí.
wherever they put something, if you can touch it, you can touch it.
áńgẹ́lì rọ́tà ṣe áńgẹ́lì fake.
Even the fake angel they put there.
gbogbo ẹ̀ la fọwọ́ kàn báyìí ta.
You touch it.
mo wọ bí kan ọ̀nà ìsọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
I went somewhere, they said they don't speak. I said I will speak here.
èmi ò lè yóò di.
I cannot be moved here.
tó lẹ́yìn ẹ̀sìn
here because I paid. You are the one that invited me.
ẹ pè mí ò ní underground ni.
You called me
táwọn ti sanwó wọ̀ ẹ pè á ní.
whenever you have to pay a cost.
oṣù lọ́wọ́
that means you have been officially invited.
nígbà tẹ̀sí lẹ́yìn tẹ́ẹ̀tì wọ́n fẹjọ́ sùn jọba tán.
Immediately you have reported to the government.
and DSS ti pè.
The DSS have called. All of them have called. You have reported.
fúnra yín.
By yourself again.
ẹ wá lọ́ndà Ifáyẹmí.
You said you came under Ifáyẹmí on the Elebuibon.
pẹ̀lú ọ̀dà Àtaọ́jà Òṣogbo.
Or the order of Àtaọ́jà of Òṣogbo.
ẹ wá lọ sí ẹ̀ka àjọ.
You went to our branch.
ẹ ń lọ pàjá bẹ̀.
You killed a dog inside the church.
àwọn sẹ́yìn sẹ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó wọlé.
Did you pay before you entered the church?
ẹgbẹ̀rún ajá tẹ́ ẹ pọ̀ ní kankan ṣe pẹ̀lú tàwọn.
The thousands of dogs you killed had nothing to do with us. You brought cutlass to the church.
ẹ kó gbogbo kínní ẹ lára wọn.
Amongst them, some of them masked themselves, some did not mask.
ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kó ìkíní fún àwọn pásọ̀.
You are touching the garment of the pastor.
ẹ bá gbogbo nǹkan jẹ́.
You destroy things, you put blood on the pastors.
hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
ìpè fúnfún ní ìbáyàn.
White calling religion does not fight anyone.
ẹ lè rí pé ìkápá gbé èèyàn lọ lé ẹ.
You will not see this calling
torí pé
taking anyone
gbé
to
èèyàn lọ
court.
lé ẹjọ́ gan-an.
Because the one taking someone to court, it is a cause, a case should not be free. That's God.
èmi wò pé.
I believe that.
sọ pé Ọlọ́run yín le.
If your God is that hard, tough, you shouldn't involve police at all.
ìgbésí lọ police station yẹn.
And because you have involved police, you shouldn't come to the church again with cutlass.
ẹ̀ka dà wá.
You brought cutlass to the church.
ìgbà tí wọ́n kàn sí ẹ̀ ń bá mi sọ agbẹjọ́ ń bá mi sọ.
While the lawyer was talking to me that this thing did they call.
ẹ̀yin náà ẹ gbọ́ látẹnu apáṣọ.
Hear from the pastors themselves.
These are the clips.
Àwọn fọ́nrán tó wà ń bẹ̀ ni.
fídíò rẹ̀.
Àwọn fọ́nrán rẹ̀.
gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ pẹ̀lú ayín lọ́jọ̀gbọ́n.
Those who are knowledgeable and are travellers.
arákùnrin wa kan.
One of our men.
ọ̀tán pòsì ṣe kínní ọmọkiri àbí kínní ọmọ.
ẹnu ọmọkiri.
mo rí kínní fídíò rẹ̀ lọ́pọ̀ bọ́sà máa ń travel.
He travelled a lot.
tọ́ba travel tọ́ba fẹ́ máa explain báyìí.
If you want to explain, he will touch those that are there.
yọ máa fọ́ kàn báyìí.
He will be touching them, touch the way well.
hallelujah. ẹgbẹ́ yìí lẹni kéèyàn wá wò.
Are you not the one that said people should come and tell you?
lóde tẹ́lẹ̀ àgbọ̀lọ̀gbọ̀ wọlé.
Why will you not say they should not lay hand on him?
ṣé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ bá ti gbé fúnjọba.
Whatever you have given to the government,
tí o ti di public thing.
he has become a public property.
ibi téèyàn bá ti wọ̀ tó ń sanwó wò.
Wherever people are paying to talk,
ṣé forbidden place nìyẹn.
he is no more a forbidden place.
àsanwó.
We pay to enter.
kò sí bí wọ́n yẹ ṣe kéré tó.
No matter how small the amount you
a ní
pay,
rìsíìtì ipa àsanwó
we
lọ́wọ́.
have a receipt that we pay.
a ní application àsanwó fún yín.
We have an evidence of what
àwọn
we
receptionist
pay
wọ́n wà
and the
bẹ́ẹ̀.
money we pay. And their reception is there.
àwọn kan nígbà
Why
tó
will
ti
you
wá tà.
allow something on the government? They will
wọ́n ti
say,
máa lọ nígbà tí
they will
wọ́n
still be
lọ.
dragging it. When
wọ́n
we
bá
go,
àwọn ọkùnrin méjì
they met two men on the way.
lọ́nà.
On the way.
nígbà tó sọ pé iṣẹ́ la fẹ́ Olúwa lọ́rọ̀ wa ń bí o.
And they said, God has sent us there, and they allow it.
Immediately tó ti gbà lọ́wọ́ yín, láti gbà lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ̀ ní báyà fẹ́.
Immediately they've taken money there, they have hijacked the custody from you.
Bí ẹ̀bà ní jẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́nì fẹ́ kí
If you don't permit them, you will say Muslims should not come, Christians should not come.
Ìkọ̀ funfun ní
We, the white collar religion, the white collar religion,
àbárú àwọn bí o, wọ́n
we don't allow
fún yín.
them. They mention name to you.
À ń rẹ́gísà.
They register with you.
Ìjọ tí àwọn ti wá.
They tell you the church they came from.
Gbogbo information tó yẹ ká fún yín.
All the necessary information you asked for them, they gave it to you.
Tó bá wá jẹ́ gbogbo information tó yẹ ká fún yín.
If they gave you all necessary information,
mi rò pé Ifáyẹmí Elebuibon.
Ifáyẹmí Elebuibon
ní Ọ̀ṣun.
in Osun State.
Ọba Òṣogbo Àtaọ́jà.
Òṣogbo King Ọ̀táọjà of Òṣogbo.
A lọ sí ojúbọ.
We did not go to the shrine of Osun.
Gómìnà Òṣogbo.
The Osun State governor.
Olóògbé Ọ̀ṣun Adeleke.
Ọmọọba Adeleke.
Ọmọọba Adeleke ọmọọba làwọn náà. Ọmọọba Adeleke gọ́vnọ̀.
Ademola.
Mr. Governor Ademola Adeleke. Àti gbogbo àwọn ìgbìmọ̀ tó wà ń bẹ̀.
And all the councils.
We are not into the.
They did not intrude the privacy of anyone.
The State Attorney General.
Adájọ́ àgbà ti orílẹ̀-èdè àbí ẹnìkan.
We have not gone beyond our boundaries.
Kọjá àyè wa o.
They came for tourism.
Wọ́n wá láti wá ṣe ìbẹ̀wò ní. Wọ́n sì sanwó ìbẹ̀wò.
After this, there will be a video being released.
Lẹ́yìn èyí, a fi àwọn fọ́nrán kan síta.
That will carry the receipt.
Tí ó fi àwọn ẹ̀dá owó yẹn.
That will pay. That will carry those people who deliver the message.
Ẹ̀rí àwọn tá a jíṣẹ́ fún.
Shown to DSS that so much.
Àti gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yìí ni a ó fún àwọn.
This is a matter to be settled.
Àgọ́ ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n pè wá sí.
We are not fighting you.
Àwọn ọba yín jà o.
But what we are telling you is that.
Táwa ń sọ fún yín ni pé.
Enough.
Ó ti tó gẹ́.
We did not go there.
Àwọn ò lọ́bẹ̀.
To come and destroy anything.
Láti bà nǹkan kan jẹ́ o.
We did not break your God.
Àti ẹ̀dá Ọlọ́run yín lápá lẹ́sẹ̀ gan.
You only silence him.
A kàn pa lẹ́nu mọ́.
Not to drink.
Kó má bàa mọ̀ jẹ̀ mọ́.
No one, everyone.
Gbogbo ènìyàn ló lè rí
a fresh binky.
Ẹ rí ẹ̀jẹ̀ adìẹ tó wà lórí rẹ̀.
Calling for the blood.
Tó ń pè fẹ́ jẹ́.
If you are in spirit, you must know that your blood is not secure.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ gan kò sáàbò lórí ẹ̀.
Why?
Ìdí nìyí.
He went there and he prayed.
Wọ́n sì gbàdúrà sí.
You power there and swallow you.
Ìyá mi gbogbo yín mi.
Don't swallow. You cannot swallow our blood.
Ẹ lè mú ẹ̀jẹ̀ tiwa.
We have not done anything.
Ṣe nǹkan kan tó burú.
Ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ́sẹ̀ wá o.
You are the one that offend us.
You are the one that offend us.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ́sẹ̀ wá.
Kìí sáà la sẹ̀yìn o.
We are not the one that fought.
Ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ pé Ọlọ́run wa níjà.
We are the one that challenge our God.
Kìí sáà la pé Ọlọ́run yín yà.
We did not challenge your God.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ wá pa ajá tẹ pa gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ pa àwọn tọ́ọ̀gì.
You are brought.
Àwa sanwó fúnjọba. Ẹ̀yin ò sanwó tẹ fi báńkì.
Before you bang into the church.
Sínú ẹ̀ka àjọ yẹn.
Into that church.
Ẹ sanwó ẹ san
kankan. You not pay anything.
Ẹ dẹ̀ bẹ̀ sí máa bẹ́ gbogbo nǹkan. Àwọn
èèyàn
pẹ̀lú àdá.
With cutlass.
With evidence. Ẹ dẹ̀ sọ wípé ẹ act London.
And you say you act under the instruction.
Fáyẹmí.
Under the instruction of Fáyẹmí.
Àti ọba.
And the king.
Àti Ọ̀ṣunyẹmí.
And Ọ̀ṣunyẹmí.
Àti Fárínú.
And the Fárínú.
This is not problem. We are not fighting you.
Àwọn ọba yín jà o.
But we must clear our.
A gbọ́dọ̀ sọ àrídájú tiwa.
White calling religion.
Pé ẹ̀sìn ìpè fún mi.
We are not known for violence.
Àwa kì í ṣe oníjà
No, you just do this.
À ń ṣe léyìí.
I don't defend God.
Àwa.
I don't explain. But I would like to tell the people.
Ṣùgbọ́n kí wọ́n sọ fún àwọn èèyàn kan lè bẹ̀rẹ̀.
We know that.
Wọ́n lè mọ̀ pé.
The children. The pastors,
àwọn ọmọ àti àwọn olùṣọ́àgùtàn,
soldiers in this ministry,
àwọn ajagun tó wà ní pé
they were responsible.
Wọ́n jẹ́ ẹni tó mú jẹ́
orí pípé human rights.
Wọ́n kì í bá tẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ní
Is there anything you want to know?
Tó bá ní kankan tó fẹ́ mọ̀.
The headquarter of white calling religion.
Orí ìjọ ìyọ ìpè
is open for everyone.
Ó wà ní sílẹ̀ fún gbogbo ènìyàn.
And to everywhere you call us,
we
will honor you.
A fi ọlá débẹ̀.
But if otherwise you say you want to go on spiritual service, we are available.
Àwa náà wà ńbẹ̀.
Even the one that gbogbo wọn gbé wa báyìí.
If it is come to physical, that it will be public, we are there.
Tágbókulẹ̀.
They will place death on ground.
We are there. That is it. We are spiritual father.
A ní bàbá ń gbèjọ́.
I want to say hi to everyone.
Mo kí gbogbo ènìyàn.
I know His Excellency.
Mo mọ̀ pé ọlọ́lá jùlọ.
Governor Adeleke.
Gómìnà Adeleke.
I know you are intelligent person.
Mo mọ̀ pé ọlọ́gbọ́n ènìyàn ni.
I know the commissioner of police.
Mo mọ̀ pé kọmíṣánná ọlọ́pàá tó ń bọ̀ lóṣogbo.
They are men of wisdom.
Ẹni tó lọ́gbọ́n ni wọ́n.
Even Osogbo.
Ní Òṣogbo ni.
Osun State.
Lọ́ṣun.
Rather, Osun State generally.
Ní gbogbo Ọ̀ṣun.
I've stayed here for years.
Mo ti gbé bẹ̀ ní ọ̀pọ̀ ọdún.
And I know them.
Mo mọ̀ wọ́n dáadáa.
Hallelujah, they are men of virtue.
Àwọn ènìyàn tó ní
ọmọlúwàbí tó gbópọn ni wọ́n.
They are men of virtue.
Gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́pàá kínní àwọn DSS ni.
The DSS, the police,
gbogbo wọn.
Mo mọ̀ wọ́n.
Mo ti gbé ẹgbẹ́ Fáyẹmí fúnra rẹ̀ rí.
Àbí stay beside Fáyẹmí Elebuibon. I've stayed beside him before.
Mo ti gbélé ẹgbẹ́ ilé ẹ̀ rí.
I've stayed beside his house before.
Mo ti gbélé àti ké gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti kéde rí.
I've evangelized in that place before.
Mo ti jíṣẹ́ fún ọbọ̀ Òṣogbo rí fúnra rẹ̀.
I've delivered message to Òṣogbo.
Mo rí nífà iṣẹ́ síbẹ̀ rí.
In the palace of Òṣogbo we have delivered message.
Ìgbà mo fẹ́ jíṣẹ́ fún ọbọ̀ Òṣogbo.
When I wanted to deliver message, I came to the palace. They said it was not around.
Mo fẹ́ máa jíṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ ní.
I wanted to deliver message. He said the message is tough.
N ó rìkọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀ lẹ̀.
He recorded it.
Mo gbéra mo wá ni.
I came myself physically.
Bọ́lọ́run bá rán mi sí yín.
God sent me to you.
Wọ́n wù àwọn ó sì gba ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́kẹ́ wọ́n
and I will take the necessary steps. And I will deliver the message.
Wọn ò jẹ̀bi yín o.
Those people, those pastors are not guilty of you.
Mi rò pé ẹnìkan lè máa threaten Ọlọ́run.
I don't know. I don't think someone will be threatening God. If it's your task is to God, no one can threaten you. We pay to enter.
And you people that distributed the former feed.
Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ pín fọ́nrán àkọ́kọ́ kiri.
I know you will distribute this.
Mo tún mọ̀ pé ètò ìpínlẹ̀ náà kiri bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ẹ jẹ́ wọ́n mọ̀ pé.
Let them know.
From the headquarter.
Láti orí ìjọ mi.
Of the white calling religion.
Tí ẹ̀sìn ìpè fún mi.
We have released a statement.
A ti fi ọ̀rọ̀ síta.
And we are not fighting anyone.
A àpẹ ẹnikẹ́ni jà.
And that is our take.
Ohun tí àwa dúró lé
That was the report given to us.
Òun ni ọjọ́ tán rò fún wa.
And the pastors are already on ground.
Àwọn ìránṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe wà ń kalẹ̀.
Àwọn ọmọ yín tẹ̀ ń rán kiri.
Those your children that you are sending.
Order them.
Ẹ pa wọ́n láṣẹ.
Àwọn tẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ pè.
Those you call.
Ẹnìkan pè wá.
They say they should call us.
Àwọn tẹ́ wá ṣe fúnra yín ẹ tún gbé fídíò yẹn sọ.
You have already put the video outside already.
We will send everything to them to know that. Kínní kẹjẹ pé àbá ẹnìkankan jà o.
I'm not fighting with anyone.
Ifáyẹmí. Elebuibon. Mr. Ifáyẹmí Elebuibon.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Ifáyẹmí Elebuibon.
Àbá yín jà.
We are not fighting against you.
Àṣẹ Ọlọ́run yín o.
We are not offending your God.
Hallelujah. Ọlọ́run yín gan lọ sí Ọlọ́run
àti Ọlọ́run wa lọ́dà. It is your God that offend because our God created him.
Ọba àṣẹ Ọlọ́run kankan o.
Our king.
And the government of the land.
Ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè.
In time we are educated fellow.
Ẹni tó kàwé ni wá.
A mọ òfin.
We know the law.
A mọ ìlànà tó yẹ ká gbà.
We know how and where to go.
Òfin ìtì ìlànà wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀.
They lay down standard.
Àwa kì í tako.
We don't kick against it.
Parasata ni wa. Gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n yẹn ti sẹ́kúnú pè é.
Those are working in this college.
They were being instructed.
Wọ́n gba ìtọ́ni tó tọ́.
Olúwa yóò bùkún wa.
May God bless us.
Mo sọ̀rọ̀ láti orí ìjọ.
From the headquarter.
God of white calling religion.
Of God of white calling religion. Fún gbogbo ọkàn.
The president.
Ààrẹ.
Of the tabernacle and the church.
Ti ìjọ yìí àti.
That has an altercation with.
Tí wọ́n ní ìtàkùrọ̀ gan.
Osun Saga.
Pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́sùn.
And they are the one that have problem.
Àwọn náà níṣòro pẹ̀lú wọn.
We don't have any.
Àwọn níṣòro pẹ̀lú wọn.
We don't have any problem.
Àwọn níṣòro pẹ̀lú wọn.
Mo mọ̀ pé Yorùbá ni mo sọ.
I spoke in Yorùbá.
Yorùbá lẹ́yìn náà dẹ̀ sọ jáde.
And he also spoke in Yorùbá.
Olúwa yóò ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
God bless us.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí n tí ọmọọba kìíní sọ nínú
fídíò
tán sẹ́yìn sí mi.
Prince Osun
Oṣù àwọn ọjà.
That they are a show fight.
O ti sọ pé sùn ọjà.
You said a show fight.
O tún wá rán èèyàn lọ́kàn lọ fàájà.
You still send somebody to go and fight with cutlass.
Ṣé ìwọ lọ ń jà àfẹ́sù báyìí?
Are you the one fighting for issue now?
Ìwọ lọ pé sùn ọjà náà.
You said they should fight in the clip release. You said they should not wear the show fight. You are still the one sending them able to go and fight with cutlass.
Tẹ̀sẹ̀ bí adé lórílẹ̀ kan why?
And you behead a dog before the church.
Ẹ̀dẹ̀ gbé orí ẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ.
In the church.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gbé àti àwọn ọ̀kẹ́ àmọye tẹ́ ẹ jọ wá.
And the countless number of people that came with you.
Èyí tẹ́ ẹ bí ajá ló ń sẹ̀lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lórí.
Those are behead a dog before people. Can't you behead human being?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lórí.
Can't you behead human being?
Mo rò pé àwọn DSS tẹ́ lọ sọ
fún. I believe the DSS that you are reported to. They see how you are beheading a dog.
Inú igbó yẹn dáadáa kan yà lọ wo.
They should watch that wilderness very well.
Olúwa yóò ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
God bless us.
Ẹ bá ní.